A teaspoon of honey is the life's work of 12 bees. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Your body contains 10 times more bacteria than human cells. Octopuses have 3 hearts and 2 stop beating when they swim. Lightning strikes Earth 100 times every second. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. The human brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. Water can boil and freeze at the same time in a process called triple point. Jellyfish existed before dinosaurs. Cleopatra lived closer to the invention of the iPhone than to the construction of the Great Pyramid. The Eiffel Tower grows about 6 inches during the summer due to heat expansion. Napoleon was once attacked by a horde of bunnies during a hunting trip. The shortest war in history lasted 38 minutes. It was the Anglo-Zanzibar War. In ancient Egypt, servants were sometimes covered in honey to attract flies away from the pharaoh. Neutron stars are so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece weighs about 1 billion tons. One day on Uranus lasts 17 hours, but its year is 84 Earth years long. The moon is moving away from Earth at a rate of 1.5 inches per year. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system, not Mercury. A day on Mars is only 37 minutes longer than a day on Earth. The first email was sent in 1971. Every minute 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. The first computer virus was called Creeper in 1971. The first website is still online. The world's first 1 gigabyte hard drive, introduced in 1980, weighed over 500 pounds. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days to prevent it from digesting itself. Humans share 60% of their DNA with bananas. Your nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. Did you know that babies have more bones than adults? It's true, babies are born with around 300 bones. Your heart is an incredible organ, beating over 100,000 times every single day. And here's a fascinating fact about sloths. They can hold their breath longer than dolphins for up to 40 minutes. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Penguins propose to their mates with pebbles. Sharks existed before trees. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping to keep from drifting apart. A cloud can weigh over 1 million pounds. The inventor of the Pringles can is buried in one. Bubble wrap was originally intended as wallpaper. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever called Turritopsis dohrnii. Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Every second, 4.5 babies are born globally. 90% of the world's population lives in the northern hemisphere. Antarctica is the driest, coldest, and windiest continent. 70% of Earth's oxygen is produced by the ocean. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space with the naked eye. Goldfish have a memory span of months, not seconds. Bats are not blind. Chameleons change color for communication, not camouflage. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. Sugar doesn't make kids hyperactive, it's a placebo.